So I'm heading to Texas Haunters Convention, and I'm loaded up. As you can see back here, pretty full. And I'm not even doing a booth this year. So, oh, there's a popo up ahead. Be careful. Hold on. Shh. Everybody quiet. There's the cops. You're gonna see them to right there. Oh, a little fender bender, and I guess that's why there was some traffic. So anyway, loaded up. Gonna be doing my trick or treat ghost make and take on the showroom floor on Saturday tomorrow. Super excited about it. All right, people. Here a little early. It's about 9:20. Just got the last of the stuff put in for the make and take area. So this will be the make and take area here at Texas Haunters. Boom. Got all my stuff back there. There's one of my little ghosts right there. Got one out front near registration so people could see. But look at that. Make and take. So it's gonna be fun today. From 2 to 5, making ghosts. Hopefully I have 20 people in here doing it. I guess we will find out later. All right, this should be fun. Take a little off the top. Ah! Yeah, go ahead.
It'll come loose and eventually he'll unscrew himself. So again, you got that guy there. You're going to walk him down now. Okay.
Alright, so we got the bases going. Everybody's got their supplies. We are full into the make and take. This is so awesome. Everybody's painting the bases.
You have enough room to do the rest of the stuff.
Okay.
We'll clean this up, that way there's no extra blood.
I have my assistant Fred. That's amazing. Without him, I would be freaking out right now. Into the PVC cutting, getting everything PVC cut down to make our ghost.
I'm just trying to keep it from sliding and like hitting.
All right, we're getting it. It's looking like something now. What do you think it looks like?
Something.
Something. That's what I was thinking. It looks like something. All right. So I guess next we're gonna, once we're ready, we can grab our sheet. Yeah, this is when it's gonna really, this is the magic. This is when the magic happens right here. Now, I'm gonna tell you something about these sheets real fast. So, this may or may not be true, okay? All right, so everybody's getting really creative with these. He's doing red on the inside of the eyes, and then he's gonna do some kind of a black teardrops coming down the bottom, which is gonna be really cool. I'm liking seeing this creativity here. We're actually waiting for this foam to dry right here. The heads were spinning, so we had to add some foam. So now we're gonna hug our ventriloquist dummy. All right.
And then the other fountain, stand up here. So now, when you spray paint this, you're going to take your finger, just one finger, okay? Now, you're going to want to hold it. Okay.
Now, it looks good. Looking really good, guys. That's awesome. I love the moss screen on the bottom. I love all the blood splatter on that one. I have one that I did where I did it just like this, but I just did the splatter all over it. It looks really good. It looks similar to this one. I like how you did the aging on the bottom. Yeah, I like it. Very cool. All right, so here are the photos of everyone's finished ghosts. Everybody did such a great job. They totally came up with cool original ideas. I had such fun doing this. If you are interested in one of these kits, I actually have kits available on Steve's Haunted Props on Etsy, my Etsy store, or Steve's Haunted Props. All right, guys, that's it. I'm leaving. It is Saturday. Woo. Sorry, I had a big thing of something on my screen. The convention's also going on tomorrow, but I will not be here. Why is my door not opening? I'm trying to get in my car. The showroom floor just closed. The make and take is over. It went really well, super fun. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I will definitely upload that here soon. It'll be soon for you because this will be the end clip of that video. But you know what to do. Get your haunt on. Driving back to Austin. All right, guys. Catch y'all next time. If you're interested in building one of these yourselves, I have kits available on my Etsy store, Steve's Haunted Props on Etsy, or go to steveshauntedprops.com and I have kits available, or I can also sell the full completed props. So get you one now. Halloween season's upon us, so go get you one. And I think I'm actually about to discount the kits, so get them while you can.